Today we're making a chicken stew, and this dish clocks in at 735 calories, 49 grams of protein, 62 grams of carbs, and 26 grams of fat. And for this we're using chicken thighs. You can use chicken breast as well, but the chicken thighs are a bit more forgiving when you cook them for a long time. They won't get dry because they have more fat. But to start off, we're going to chop some vegetables. We're going to chop some onion. We're going to chop 1 onion and 2 celery stalks. Also, we're going to prep 3 cloves of garlic. You want to chop these fairly thin because we don't want too large pieces in our stew. And this is not going to be boiling for a long time. We're going to fry our vegetables, and then we're going to add some cream, vermouth, and creme fraiche and stuff. But we're going to start off by frying our chicken, and we want to fry that until we get some nice color on one side, and that means we can fry them quite high. My stove goes to 9 and I'm at 7 here, so quite high heat, and fry them until they have some nice color on one side, and then flip them, same on the other side. And once you're done with that, we can add our vegetables and just pour those in, add some salt, and you can also remove the chicken if you find it easier, but I think this is fine. And we're gonna stir everything and fry the vegetables until they're quite soft. I like to add some rosemary to this as well and just leave it in while we're cooking. Once this has been cooking down, all of our vegetables are soft and cooked, we're gonna add some garlic to this. I like to eat rice with this, and my standard portion is, as always, 65 grams of uncooked rice. If you want to change that, just go to the spreadsheet and go for the amount of rice you want. Spreadsheet is linked in the description. And main part of this dish is our vermouth. I like to use this nolly prat one. It's amazing for cooking. I use it in sauces and stews and a lot of things. If you haven't tried that, I really hope you do. And we're gonna need 10 grams of cornstarch eventually, and then just salt rice in. I don't measure water, I just cook the rice until it's done and then pour out the water. It's the lazy version, but it's so much easier. And to this we're gonna need 200 grams of 13% cream, and then we're also gonna need 100 grams or 1 deciliter of 1.5% milk, 1 bouillon cube, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and also we're gonna need 30 grams of creme fraiche. And finally, we're gonna add some soy sauce and our cornstarch. Then we're just gonna let everything combine. And once this has been cooking down to the consistency you like from your sauce, we're gonna remove our rosemary. And then we're just gonna taste this, add some salt, and this is 4 portions. Fortunately for me, the chicken thighs come in 800 gram servings, so you get 2 each portions. So this is a perfect meal prep for me. And we're just gonna add the sauce, and you get a lot of it, so that's nice. And as you can see, plating was done perfectly, but eventually we got something that looked better. And that's it. I really like this. This is based on the dish my father makes, and I hope you try it. And if you do, I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.